Hey everyone, I'm the Terrain with Server.pro, and Mojang has recently released Snapshot 21W14A for Minecraft. This update has a few new changes, but let's not waste any more time and get right into the snapshot. Firstly, new raw copper, raw iron, and raw gold items have been added to the game. These ores were smeltable previously, however, the new item drops for iron ore, copper ore, and gold ore are these new raw items. These ones are in place of the ore blocks, and can be smelted just like before into ingots. This is to prevent cluttering of the inventory, and having consistency with fortune on all ores, meaning that these ores will now drop more items with fortune on your pickaxes. Fully oxidized copper can also now be waxed in this version, meaning that it will remain in this greenish tint all the time. In the previous snapshots, the fishing rod texture always looked like it had been cast in the player's hand. This made it look like they were always holding a stick. However, this visual bug has been fixed in this version. Another bug was found with fishing rods last week as well, as no fishing line or bobber appeared while fishing. However, this visual glitch has been fixed in this latest snapshot, and fishing should now look alright. The end dimension generated very differently last week than it did in previous versions. As you can see, end crystals generated inside of the end island, which is obviously not normal. However, this bug has been fixed in this latest snapshot. There was also a bug where the game crashes after entering only colons into the multiplayer direct connection screen. However, this bug has been fixed in this snapshot. The game also crashed while trying to generate a world with a height of 0 blocks, which you could do with custom import settings while creating a new world. But this bug has yet again been fixed in 21W14A. And pillager outposts spawned an excessive amount of pillagers in the previous snapshot. But there should no longer be too many of these ugly guys spawning in this new release. And finally, ocean monuments were completely empty and hollow in previous snapshots, but this week, that issue has been patched. I honestly like the open room a little bit more, but I can understand why it's a little bit odd, and I'm glad that Mojang fixed this bug. And that is all for the snapshot coverage video. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, then please subscribe and drop a like. Also, be sure to check out the rest of our videos for content featuring mod and plugin reviews. This snapshot was not very big, but if you'd like to read all the bug fixes and changes, the article link will be in the description below. And if you'd like to create a free server for Minecraft to get some new raw ore blocks with your friends, then head over to Server.pro or click the link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'm the Terrain. Peace out.